Are you a busy working mom and you always hear, stay in the present, be in the moment, but you don't even know what that means because your list is running constantly. You don't know where you're going one thing to the next without looking at your calendar. And you just feel so busy that you don't even know what the present moment could possibly mean. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I have been practicing meditation for over 20 years and I'm ready to teach you what that looks like. And I'm the founder of the Happier Moms program, where I teach moms to live a happier life, gain peace, calm, and time in their day. And today I'm going to talk to you what it looks like to be in the present moment. So, what is the present moment? The present moment is being where you are. So not thinking, what did I just do? What am I doing next? What's kid A, B, or C doing? What's the dog doing? What's my husband doing? What's my wife doing? It's not that. The present moment is just being where you are. And that can be a big challenge for us as busy working moms. So being in the present moment looks like feeling yourself where you are. So right now you're watching this video. Be here. Watch the video. Don't scroll to the next thing. Sit. Feel your body planted in a chair. Feel where your shoulders are. Are they up here or are they down? Where's your head? Is your head down like this watching the video, or is your head up to help with your neck? Being present is just being where you are. It's just feeling the space that you're in. Feel free to bring in a couple senses. Feel if the room is warm or cold. That's presence. Smell what you smell. Do you smell your laundry detergent? Do you smell something else? That's being present. And just having that be your experience. That's my favorite thing to do when I'm feeling a little less grounded, and just touch into one of my senses and kind of pull it all back together. I hope this helps you. If you need some help into getting into your own calm, present space, click the link below. There's a 5-minute guided meditation. It will bring you there. And I want you to remember that the calm and peace that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people. I'm so happy you're here.